Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching Tech White. So in this video, I will show you how to delete your repository in GitHub. So first, simply sign in your GitHub account. So after login, you can see the dashboard of GitHub. Now on the left side, this is your current repository. And if you want to create another repository, simply click on this add icon. And here you can see new repository. So if you want to create a new repository, you can click on this option. And now I will show you how to delete this current repository. Simply click on the URL. Now click on this settings option. Now scroll down and you can see this option, delete this repository. Simply click on this option, delete this repository. Now click on I want to delete this repository. Now click on this option, I have read and understand these effects. Click on it. Now enter your repository name. As you can see, it is mentioned at the top. Carefully type your repository name, then click on delete this repository, and you can see your repository has been deleted. Now you don't have any public repository. Simply click on this home icon and you can see now your repository has been deleted successfully. And if you want to create a new repository, simply click on this option, create a new repository. So this is all for the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching Tech White. Have a nice day.